Multi-vendor strategy in networking is not new, but onboarding a new vendor platform into a customer's existing operational ecosystem is often a non-linear cost in terms of effort and time. Majority of that cost comes from differences where the operational tools interface with the device via the network operating system. Every NOS has its own quirks around config management, defaults, CLI, and slight differences in how a feature works, and not to mention interoperability issues. So adding new vendors is often in conflict with striving for operational efficiency. One approach is to unify the interface itself, that is, the API from the NOS to the operational pipelines. The industry continues to drive this in the form of OpenConfig. While viable, this approach still requires every OS to build, enhance, and maintain these interfaces and keep up with the increasing feature set. And it only addresses some aspects of the multi-vendor issue. Another approach is to unify the NOS itself across the entire fleet. But this wasn't possible for the longest time till open source NOSes became viable. FBOSS and SONiC are both operator-driven initiatives that planted the seeds for this approach to come to fruition. SONiC is a community-supported open network operating system project under the Linux Foundation. It has enabled the unification of the network fleet under a single open source NOS, supporting multiple vendors, multiple platforms, multiple silicon, all under one common operating system. Furthermore, it allows customers to define onboarding success criteria using a common test framework, thereby reducing the time and effort for new platform onboarding. In this AI era, where on-time delivery of rapidly growing clusters is a non-negotiable metric, this approach becomes table stakes. SONiC has come a long way since its inception. SAI for the latest silicon is now released in SONiC at get-go. It's been deployed on millions of switches worldwide across several AI and enterprise data centers, and the ecosystem in the community is rich and diverse. This is why at NextHop, we are fully committed to open source operating systems like SONiC and FBOSS. We have been enabling community SONiC through our ongoing contributions to all the SONiC repos, through our roadmap efforts and key initiatives like disaggregated spine, SONiC DMC, 1.6T enablement, and CPO support. We also enable day one support for all our platforms in the community SONiC distribution. Through all our contributions in a very short time, NextHop AI has earned a governing board membership for SONiC in the Linux Foundation and is in the top 10 contributors in the world for SONiC project. To successfully execute a DIY strategy with community SONiC, as a customer, you will need a good-sized engineering team to do build management, validation, branch and release management, bug fixes, regression testing, maintenance, deployment readiness, etc. On the other hand, if you would like a turnkey solution, we offer NextHop NOS integrated with our platforms, powered by SONiC, hardened and supported by NextHop. With NextHop NOS, we carefully plan releases with a published software lifecycle, run through rigorous automated testing of up to 100K tests per week. We cover a gamut of hardening scenarios, from layer 1 testing all the way to complex BGP topologies, and execute on your deployment readiness proof of concepts. NextHop NOS also comes with our 24/7/365 global technical support, as well as DevOps and automation services to make your deployment experience seamless. So quality, deployment readiness, and support, all taken care of by NextHop. In this AI era, where customers are grappling with scale, supply chain diversity, and on-time deployment challenges, maximizing operational efficiency is paramount. And through our software offerings, we empower you, the customer, to pick a software solution that works best for you. You can use your own SONiC or FBOSS distribution on NextHop hardware platforms, or use the NextHop turnkey distribution. For more information on our software offerings, check out our website and learn more about our journey adopting SONiC and how we are driving the latest technologies in the community. So what's next for you?